Hey friends, welcome to the log. This log is going to be about our first day in the casualty. As usual, our day started at 6:30 am with the fabulous view of one of the biggest dams in Maharashtra, the Jaikwadi Dam. Then we had our breakfast at the hotel Jai Bhagwan and also had chai, biscuit and sugarcane juice. If someday you come to the Paitan, you should definitely visit this hotel for its delicious misal pav.
After such a wonderful morning, we came back to the hospital to start our first emergency duty. We started with injecting the intravenous fluids to the patients via angiocath or scalpel. For the first time, it was hesitating, but eventually it became handy. Thereafter, we were engaged in the various chores like dressing wounds, removing sutures, advising and introducing drugs like antibiotics, anti-inflammatory, antifungals, antispasmodic and so on.
While doing all this clinical stuff, we were facing some difficulties like breaking the ampoules at right place, removing sutures, applying angiocaths and scalpels at right places. These hurdles were cleared by our savior, Dr. Cutting sir and Dr. Sachin sir. Cutting sir, our dashing Bahubali, taught us the correct way of breaking ampoules, while Sachin sir guided us on how to apply angiocaths in correct place with more ease.
While we were making the lives of patients easier to live, our other friends were busy in the OPD clinics counseling patients about various aspects of their problem and helping them out with appropriate treatment. After such a day full of workload, we took mini break for snacks when we noticed that our historical van was being ripped out of its soul. After all these rush hours, we went to OPD to play badminton and had lots of fun.
While we were there, sister called us as there was an ANC patient who was going to deliver a baby in few hours. After this, about 5 deliveries took place which were managed normally with the help of Sachin sir. During this whole time, we realized the pain, stress, mental trauma through which the mother undergoes, which is relieved when the baby cries, that the sign when she knows that all worth it.
Then after we added the notes about the whole events during the labor in the IPD paper. At the end of the day, we all sat down and discussed the events that occurred throughout the ED and added many things to our knowledge while enjoying the sugarcane juice. On the other hand, our COVID group went to the COVID care center 5 kilometers away from the RSTC for the evening round, where we did the routine examination and other aspects while listening to their complaints and managing them accordingly.
After such a hectic day, we all spent time together while having very special tea and gossiping about various other life stuff. We were having a great time which ended when sister called us due to an emergency admission of a patient who ingested poison. So we went back to the hospital and gave her gastric lavage, for which we inserted Ryle's tube by nasogastric route. Sachin sir guided us throughout the procedure and cleared our queries.
Finally, our day ended with the night shift in the hope of a better health for everyone. So, if you liked the video, please press the like button, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.